Just look around. Just look around. Look at the campus, man. How beautiful it is. So now there's a bit change of plan. If you have ever got the chance to watch it, Alex, I really like it. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. This is my day 6 of quarantine. Actually, मेरा quarantine खत्म हो गया because I got my day 5th result. Now I'll be going to London. I just have to rush through it क्योंकि मेरे को luggage exchange करके लाना है. I have meeting at 2 p.m. कॉलेज की मीटिंग है एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई हैव फ्यू वर्क टू डू एंड सीडीसी के साथ भी मैंने मीटिंग शेड्यूल करा लिया तो मेरे को उनके साथ भी मीट करना है एंड एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग टू हैपन टुडे. आज से ज्यादा देर में लगेज लाने में कर नहीं सकता बिकॉज दे माइट सेंड इट बैक टू इंडिया बिकॉज इट्स बिन मोर देन 6 days एंड नो वन हैज क्लेम इट. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई गॉट माई लंच एंड नेक्स्ट डेज ब्रेकफास्ट. मैंने अभी तक अपना पुराना ब्रेकफास्ट भी नहीं किया बिकॉज आई वॉज बिजी थ्रू since the morning and I woke up at around 8 a.m. By the way, look at the weather. It's sunny. Someone was asking कि it's a very scenic view for them क्योंकि वो phone के through ही देख रहे हैं but it's sunny as you can see it. Windy weather I can't show you inside but I can tell you कि कैसा weather है. Anyways, let's see कि आज हमको क्या मिला है. Banana, they've been giving us banana since past 3 days. Again the chips and chicken tikka sandwich. Okay. So I'll be taking this lunch with me when I'm heading to London, and I really wish that these circumstances would be different when I'll be going to London. But anyway, we can't handle anything, and everything is not in our control. So I'll go. I'll quickly take a shower and come back here, take my lunch, do the breakfast, and then I'll be heading right towards the London because next bus ka time bhi ho gaya and my coach will be leaving in an hour. So I have to rush through it. Okay, I'll see you. And I'll keep you updated and posted about the entire London journey from here to there. कैसे किया, क्या किया, and basically luggage exchange हो जाए. So guys, I'm all set to go. और तैयार हो गया हूँ. I have taken my bag also. और अब मैं जा रहा हूँ लंदन की तरफ. It's almost the time कि उनो बस अराइव होने वाली है और मैं आपको फिर सीधा I'll take you through the journey कैसे कैसे मैंने change किया है. How I'm reaching over there. So I was running towards the bus stand and I missed the bus by 2 minutes only. 2 minutes and now I have to wait for 22 more minutes till the next bus comes. Man, itni si duri se reh gaya tha. I was really running towards it but I was also carrying a 30 kg bag so it was quite mushkil for me, difficult for me. Anyways, just look around. Look at the campus, man. How beautiful it is. So sun haven't came out yet properly, so there are some clouds over there. It might rain in a moment or two, so I have my jacket with me. I took jacket, but just look at the weather and the area. So this is what we call Cranfield Park or something like that, where all the football matches and stuff like that happens. So yeah, this is it. That's the shared houses over there. Shared houses. Then वहाँ पे आपका Baroness है, Lancaster है, and that way is the entire campus for study purposes only. And this is the bus stand, Cranfield University bus stand. Yeah. So now there's a bit change of plan. Now I'll be going to Bedford and take metro train or the train directly from that station because it's suddenly starting to rain and I do not want to wait much long. So after a few minutes the Bedford bus arrived and I board on it. So now I'm going towards the Bedford. तो फिर Cranfield University से Bedford मेट्रो स्टेशन तक का जो चार्ज है £1.70. So I paid it. Now I'm moving towards there and I'll just show you outside. What happened that I was lost after the bus stand. I couldn't find my way towards the railway station itself. So the good lady came by and she really helped me out. Like literally उन्होंने मेरे को यहाँ तक almost the railway station is right across the road, and she walked with me for around 10 minutes, and then she went back to her home. Yeah, I like it. I was literally was not liking the people around the Grand Village itself, but here I must say, man, people are really helpful. India में कहाँ कोई करता है यार, but I don't know, but I really felt good, and God bless her. Her name was Alex. If you have ever got the chance to watch it, Alex, I really like it. Thank you. Look what I found at Bedford Station, Milton. मिल्टन कह रहा हूँ मैं, क्या नाम है, मिस्टर बीन की कार. Damn, bro. So I'm at the Bedford railway station and I'm going towards the London. That way is London. अभी यहाँ से ट्रेन आएगी, then I'll board it on. And यहाँ से मेरे को लंदन का टिकट मिला 28 पाउंड्स का. 28 पाउंड्स का भाई, 2800 रुपये का टिकट. And expensive. So my train, I'll have to change train from St. Pancras. यहाँ से I'll go towards St. Pancras. The train will be arriving at 1:40, and after then I'll go towards London Heathrow. Let's see that how the travel begins. अब पहुँच गए हैं, अब जाना है, खर्चा हो जाए जैसा होता है. Let's experience it. First time में थोड़ा expensive होता है, because you don't know about the country and about the around nearby places and how to go there. And let's see. So that's the another train which is going towards Gatwick Heathrow itself. So they have so many stoppages. So the person told me that not to take that one. So take the another one, because that particular train have only 3 particular stops. So yeah, I'll be taking that one. There comes my train. इसमें बैठ के मैं जाऊँगा लंदन. Let's see. So that's the train. इसमें बैठ के अपन लोग लंदन जाएंगे. Okay. So I finally reached to Terminal 3 और अब मैं यहाँ से अपना एक्सचेंज कराऊंगा मेट्रो रेल से. The travel was not so bad. It's good, but थोड़ा खड़ा रहना पड़ा because of the baggage. But the entire journey was okay and fine. I really liked it. Apart from that, बस थोड़ा सा दूर हूँ Kiosk desk से, and I'll get my luggage changed and I'll keep you updated and posted about it what the entire journey was about. So ज़्यादा दिक्कत नहीं आई. बेडफोर्ड से मैं यहाँ पर आया किंग्स क्रॉस से अंडरग्राउंड लेकर सीधा टर्मिनल 3. जस्ट एक बार चेंज करना पड़ा मेरे को, बट आई गेस मिल्टन कीन्स के लिए 2 बार चेंज करना है. आई हैव टू लुक इन टू इट द एंटायर रूट इन कि क्या है कैसे है. सो आई कीप यू पोस्टेड अबाउट इट कि कैसे जाना है, कहाँ को जाना है. एंड इफ़ यू आर न्यू टू दिस सिटी स्टेट, इट माइट हेल्प यू. So finally done with change. So finally done with the exchange of the package, and here it is. Looks similar, right? So you guys might guess that why this whole misunderstanding must have happened. So anyway, here comes my train, and I'm